Hi guys. So this week we ended quarter one, and on Monday and Tuesday we had assessments, and so we didn't do any live Zoom meeting learning. So you guys had assignments set up for asynchronous learning on Zern and Seesaw for you to do, and then the rest of the week were normal days. And so for writing, we kind of got ourselves in the mood for Thanksgiving. And so we're going to take a peek just really quick at some of the writing skills that we did this week. So this week, you're learning targets. You had the same three we've been working on. I can write using upper and lowercase letters. I can write sentences with punctuation, and I can write using new words. So we did that first by remembering, wait a minute, what are our four rules for writing a sentence? First is we capitalize at the beginning of a sentence. Capital at the beginning of the sentence. Only at the beginning is the capital letter. And then we punctuate. Yes, we punctuate. Yes, we punctuate at the end. We also include our finger spaces between our words, between our words. Make sure you keep those finger spaces so we know what you are writing in between your words. And last is that complete thought. So I asked the question, how do you make a turkey dinner? And we came up with all kinds of silly ideas this week. And you got to write me a first, next, and last how you make a turkey dinner. For my sentences, what I ended up saying was first, I make the mashed potatoes. Next, I make pumpkin pie. And last, I put the turkey in the oven. I wonder, how do you make your turkey dinner? And then we got to do something really fun. This was a project that we kind of spent chunks throughout the day making, and we made 3D turkeys, thankful turkeys. And so we started with a piece of paper. With that piece of paper, we cut out strips. So basically, there's 4 strips that we made. We folded our paper in half, and then we folded our half in half to make our 4 strips. We cut them, and on each one, we wrote someone we're thankful for. And you had to write the entire sentence using a capital, a punctuation, finger spaces, and your complete thought. Once you finished writing on your page, your sentence, then you got to decorate. So on one side it has your sentence, and then on the other side it has your decorations. When we were done, we acted like we were making a snowman on another piece of paper to make our turkey body. He gets a big circle and a little circle. We cut it out. We made sure to cut out legs too. And we decorated him. And then we took our feathers, folded them, and taped them on, and made our turkeys. So that was what we decided to do as a fun writing project for writing this week. We don't have writing next week, as it is well, you do have writing on Seesaw next week, but we don't have any live writing on Zoom next week. So I'm very excited to see your stories that you write me on Seesaw, and I will see you guys after Thanksgiving. Be safe and have a wonderful holiday. Bye, guys.